niggas know I can't be touched. Cooking dope, I fucked the game up. I'm bidding low. Maserati truck, the coke numbers steady going up. I'm back, nigga. I am Bruce Wayne. 4-5 on me. That bitch shoot flame. Bitch like my style. 2030 so wild. Backwoods, filled up with loud. Rock star. I jump in the crowd. Them niggas broke. I heard they living foul. The microwave. I ain't been broke in a while. Big money, big heavyweight. Them bitches love me. I keep them full of flake. They call me Michael. I walked on the moon. Your dope is garbage. She be did it on the spoon. The streets is mine. Everybody know it. Them niggas lying. And everybody know it. We gon' ride with this cocaine, bitch. Homicide about my cocaine, bitch. I'm living fly off this cocaine shit. Do or die. I'm a pope pimp, bitch. Who am I? I'm Rowdy Piper. Fuck a snake nigga, bite the head off a viper. The crack flipper, I'm the new Jack Tripper. Your bitch a flipper, I let my little niggas hit her. I ran it up, ain't no coming down. The king is here, Biggie small crown. My diamonds dancing, spin around James Brown. I knocked her boots while I'm bumping H-Town. Her ass was up, but her face down when the cash up. Now they come around when it's bad luck. I lay a nigga down. Nigga, what you say? You better not make a sound. I'm taking over. I feel like Nino Brown. Blowing Zai. I buy it by the pound. Mercedes coupe. Just to ride around. Who the fuck is you? The wave running now. They see the kid ballin'. Now these niggas wanna foul. Bitches heads turning like a motherfucking loud old pussy nigga. How the fuck you like me now? I'm a nigga for life. I just ran 100 miles. I say high as fuck. Head above the clouds. The speakers knocking. Marty bumping loud. 10 G's. I threw it in the crowd. Yo bitch a freak. She sucked my balls for a while. When we was done, I sent her home with a smile. I don't have to count the money. I left it all in a pile. Got Big Dog. That shit that make the heads